Let me see your creativity.
Uh,
All right.
Mother Nature is so beautiful, and so are the trees. The butterflies are like the beautiful flowers. When it's fall, leaves fall from the tree, and when they fall, you'll say, "They are so beautiful. I want to stay." And how weather changes is so weird because it can be hot, it can be cold. Who knows what it's going to be? I've been to the Atlantic Ocean and I played in the sand. I swam in the Great Lakes of Superior. In Colorado, I went tubing. It was bumpy. My butt was hit so many rocks. And when we went hiking, we seen so many snakes. Mother Nature is so great. You should be thanked for all the adventures you can take. Wait.
Hey.
I'm doing back handspring, okay?
You could try. I don't think that's gonna work right here, but
No, right here.
Let me see the flip.
oh, crap. I thought you were gonna do it from there. I would have been like, bro, you don't act like Jeff Hardy. One time out of nowhere.
Ready?
Yeah, let's see it.
Hey.